Most people think the loudest person wins, the one who speaks first, the one who speaks the most, the one who fills every silence with noise. But life does not reward noise, it rewards depth. And if you are a quiet person, this message is for you. Maybe you sit back and observe. Maybe you think before you speak. Maybe people misunderstand your silence. They call you shy. They call you passive. They assume you lack confidence, but they are wrong. Silence is not weakness. Silence is discipline. The real problem is this. In a loud world, quiet people doubt themselves. You watch others talk with boldness, even when they're not prepared. You see them get attention. You see them get noticed. And you start to wonder, should I be louder? Should I change who I am? But here is what most people never realize. While others are talking, you are learning. While others are reacting, you are thinking. While others are chasing attention, you are building substance. And substance always wins in the long run. Let me tell you a simple story. There was a young man at work. He rarely spoke in meetings. His coworkers were confident and expressive. When big discussions happened, they dominated the room. He stayed quiet, but he listened carefully. He noticed patterns. He studied the problems deeply. One day, the company faced a serious crisis. Everyone started arguing. Voices were loud. Blame was everywhere. He waited. Then he spoke. Calm, clear, direct. He presented a simple solution that solved the issue. The room went silent, not because he was loud, but because he was right. That day, everything changed. He earned respect, not through noise, but through preparation. That is the shift. Quiet people often win because they think long-term. The first strength you have is listening. Most people listen to reply. You listen to understand. When you truly understand people, you gain insight, and insight gives you power. The second strength is emotional control. You do not react instantly. You pause. That pause is powerful. It keeps you from saying things you regret. It keeps you calm under pressure. In a world full of emotional reactions, calm people stand out. The third strength is focus. You're comfortable alone. That means you can practice in silence. You can improve without applause. You can build skill without attention. And real success is built exactly like that. Understand this clearly. Being quiet does not mean being invisible. It means choosing your moment. When you speak less, your words carry weight. When you act, people notice. You are not weak. You are observant. You are not behind. You are preparing. Stop comparing your silence to someone else's noise. Life is not a competition of volume. It is a test of endurance. In the short term, loud people may win attention. In the long term, disciplined people win respect. So if you are quiet, do not rush to change. Improve yourself quietly. Strengthen your skills. Sharpen your mind. Control your emotions. And one day, without warning, your results will speak. And when they do, they will be louder than any voice in the room. Because silence, when used with purpose, becomes power.